Unveiling the Darkness. Understanding pitch dark. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're going to explore a vivid phrase that often appears in English literature and everyday conversation: pitch dark. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what this phrase means but also how to use it correctly in a sentence. So, let's illuminate the meaning of pitch dark together. The phrase, pitch dark, refers to an intense darkness, where visibility is extremely reduced or virtually non-existent. The word, pitch, historically refers to a type of tar used in shipbuilding that was very black. When something is as dark as pitch, it is so dark that you cannot see anything at all. Imagine being in a room with no windows at night or deep underground in a cave with no light. That's the level of darkness we're talking about. It's often used to describe the sky on a night with no stars or moon, or the inside of a structure with no lighting. Now, let's talk about how to use this phrase in everyday language and literature. Everyday language. When the power went out during the storm, the whole house was pitch dark. I didn't want to walk through the alley at night because it was pitch dark and seemed unsafe. Literature. Authors use pitch dark to set a scene of mystery or fear, or to describe the time of day. It's not uncommon to read a sentence like, "He looked out the window into the pitch dark night, wondering what secrets it hid." Pro tip. Remember, pitch dark is often about the environment's lighting, but it can also metaphorically describe a feeling of unknowing or fear of the unknown. While pitch dark is a descriptive term, there are several synonyms you can use. Some include pitch black, inky, black as night, lightless. Each of these carries a similar meaning but can bring a slightly different nuance to your sentence. We hope this exploration of the phrase, pitch dark, has shed some light on how English speakers describe the darkest of scenes and settings. Now that you're familiar with this expression, try using it the next time you're describing a dark night or a room without light. Until our next English adventure, keep practicing, and don't be afraid to step into the linguistic darkness. You never know what you'll discover.